by opening the chest. Water. From here I can pull them down this way. They're pushing on you. Yeah, see that? Yeah, I don't know what's this, yeah. Or I can come back and do a Tai Chi, right? Get the knee under there. Single whip. Yeah. Nice. Well, you're opening up for a knee strike. You could knee him in gallbladder 32, or you could knee him in the stomach.
Okay, so
once I step, I'm in here. Then I can kick the leg back, pull, and bring your hip. Yeah, there you go. Good. If I do this, and I come this way, I could have it outside here. There's a lot of options I could do here. And I had a Tai Chi teacher who grab. I want to see you guys get heavy, right? Lift arms out. So this one, I'm gonna sink into his dead angle. We did this in the workshop. So he tries to lift. It's kind of hard. I can go from pushing him back straight into standing up. Yeah, so you did a good job. 2. Come on. Here. Boom. Boom. Stop that punch. Boom. Inside switch, right? Nice.